Okay. Okay.
Are you helping him fix the fridge?
Okay. Thank you.
Do you like your new houses? What you guys think? You like the new house? Sure you do. Sweetie likes the new house. Piggy likes the new house, don't you, baby? Yes, you do. Percy, do you like the new house? Percy does. Everything's everywhere yet, but we're here. We did it. We made it.
Take your baby. I missed you all day.
Are you giving him lemons?
This might be a little exciting.